Hello guys, welcome to this do-it-yourselfer channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use this auger toilet or toilet auger is to unclog the toilets. You don't use those regular snake tools to unclog the toilets. Well, you can, but they're not made for this. This is the one that it's made for that. This is, I believe, a 3 feet toilet auger. It has the K8. This is the handle, and as you can see, it has a hollow metal tube, and right at the end it makes a curve, and then it has a spring all the way to the inside. All right. So let me tell you a little bit about this toilet. I can tell they have been trying to use one of these augers. They're using it wrongly. Can you see those marks? Well, that auger, supposed to be doing that if you do it properly. What you do is that you first pick up all the seat, so that way it's not on your way. Okay, so if you see this curved plastic thing, it's especially made so that way you don't make marks on the toilet. So that's gotta be sitting inside the curve. Once in there, then you start pulling pressure and turning it at the same time clockwise, not counterclockwise. So it's going to be clockwise, or should I say counterclockwise? I'll figure it out in a minute. I need to make sure of that. Now let me tell you a little bit of these toilets. These augers, they're pretty good if the clog it's right in the curve. Okay, a lot of the times they put stuff and it gets clogged on the curves or right on the mouth of the toilet on the outside. Now let me tell you, if 90% of the time when you use the auger, you're gonna push the whatever it's in there, and you may not see what it was. Very few times, if you get lucky, if it's a towel or a feminine towel, you might bring it out because it gets caught by the tip of the spring. But a lot of times you're not gonna see it. Now let me tell you something. You gotta flush it, right? If the flush it's clogged like the way it is right now, but there's definitely something in there. You see how it took a long time? There's something in there. Now, if it flushes good and it only lasts a couple of days or perhaps a couple of hours, well, let me tell you something. That means that perhaps the most likely problem is that right on the mouth of the toilet, there is something stuck in there. I've seen some pens, pencils, syringes, you name it, straws, and what it is that it gets stuck right in the mouth like that. So when you put the snake, you push it to the side of the hole, you push it, and then it goes okay for quite a few days, but then it starts moving, it gets right in the middle, the paper gets stuck, and it gets stuck. And on that case, the only way to fix this is by removing the toilet. So I'm gonna try to use the auger and see if I can bring it out, push it in, or whatever. But if not, I'm gonna have to remove it and see what's in there. Okay, so let's get it done, guys. Let me put the tool the way it's supposed to be, and this is how it's supposed to be. Very careful, stick it in there. And you see that plastic? You see that plastic? That's what is supposed to sit on the bottom, so that way you don't make those ugly marks. okay? And then you start pushing it in and turn it, and I'm gonna show you how to do that in a little bit. But first, let me do this. All right. So, all right. So this is how it works. All right. Push it in, and then start turning it. All right. And I want you to see that. I want you to see that. Now that rusted thing, it's from the tube. Don't get scared. But I want you to see if you can see what it came out. See that? It's 2 spoons, man. Somebody threw 2 spoons in there. So the snake brought it out pretty quickly, which was amazing. Now, when you pull it out, you keep turning the handle. I'll show you in a minute, right? Now, to remove those spoons, you can do whatever method you want. You want to put gloves if you want to, but this is how I do it. Look at the spoons, man. Isn't that stupid? Isn't it? Throwing some spoons, man. Who in the heck they're gonna think the spoons are gonna go through that tubing right there? Come on, guys. Anyway, so this is how I do it, man. I use a trash bag. We use these trash bags over here, and I just put my hand inside of the trash bag and stick my hand and see, I got that. It's a spoon and a fork. Come on, man. Come on, guys. All right, so I just fold it like that, and they're automatically inside of a trash bag. So I'm gonna keep pushing the snake inside to see if something else come out. I'm gonna try. For now, well, I got part of the problem, if not all of the problem, solved. But I'm gonna keep doing it just to see if something else comes out. So again, I'm gonna push it in. All right, you push it in like goes like that. Turn it clockwise, and then keep pushing all the way in. All right. Once you have it all the way in, you can start pulling it out and turning it clockwise still, and push it out. Okay. All right. So it seems like nothing else came out. Don't get scared. The brown stuff is nothing but the rust from the snake, because this is already used. I'm gonna flush it, and you see how quickly it went out. So I'm almost 100% that solved the problem. Now, how do we remove those things, those marks? If you made marks, well, it's called pumice stone. You know, with that stone, it's a volcanic stone. You scratch it, and all the marks there come out. But that might be part of another tips for dummies video. But for right now, that's how you use the auger. It's very useful to have one of these at home. You save hundreds of dollars by not having to call the plumber. Obviously, if there is something else stuck in the mouth, well, you can watch some of my videos right there up there in the corner. I'm going to show you one of my videos on how to remove the toilet and get whatever it is stuck from there. This time somebody threw a spoon, a disposable spoon, and a fork. Very stupid. But anyhow, guys, this is how you use the auger again. It's a 3-feet auger. They sell them on almost any hardware store. This is it, guys. If you like the video, please make sure to put the thumbs up. Turn on the bell so that way you don't miss any of my videos. Alright, guys, and soon I'm gonna be opening another channel. It's gonna be called Hacks, and I'm gonna give you so many tips on hacks. Alright, guys, I'll talk to you later. Alright.